Everybody uses Google Sheets, but you want more out of Google Sheets. Yeah, YouTube videos are cool and all, but what about your specific Sheets problem? Better Sheets is grounded in real-world examples designed to inspire you to the next level of mastery without too much mucky muck. With over 400 tutorials, watch over the shoulder of a Google Sheets wizard and discover better formula combinations by browsing a massive database of every Google Sheets formula. Automate your workflows, increase your effectiveness, and learn how formulas and app scripts can save you time. So let's know more details. The software I will discuss today is Better Sheets. Better Sheets offers comprehensive courses that cover everything you need to know about Google Sheets. Features: master Google Sheets and boost your productivity, your shortcut to faster, more efficient spreadsheet workflows. Master number crunching with Better Sheets formula and function videos. Strengthen your skills and become a spreadsheet pro. Elevate your spreadsheets to the next level. Price: they have 3 plans: videos and courses. Great for employees who generally want to get better at spreadsheets. 409 tutorials and 30 courses for $19 per month, billed monthly. Videos, courses, and sheets. Great for executives and managers who want to get better and faster. 409 tutorials, 30 courses, every spreadsheet featured in tutorials, and new tutorials every month for $29 per month, billed monthly. And videos, courses, sheets, and tools. Great for owners, operators, and freelancers. Awesome for those whose spreadsheets run their business. 409 tutorials, 30 courses, 17 tools, and get every future update for free for $199 per month, billed monthly. But they have only one lifetime deal. Save hours every day with tips and tricks. Make everyone think you're some sort of Google Sheets guru. Easy to follow project-based Google Sheet tutorials. Create a storefront with buyable products with our Google Sheets templates. Learn how to create business models for any type of business. Create your own business inside of Google Sheets. Learn how to sell your own Google Sheets for fun and profit. Create better spreadsheets for your team, business, or organization. Become faster, more productive, and more engaged in your work. And finally, enjoy working with Google Sheets for $199 instead of $1,296. Customer review: you will be amazed if you see their reviews. They have 108 reviews on the Appsumo, and Product Hunt has 16 reviews. That means this is completely new software. So, take advantage of this opportunity to save time and increase productivity. Check the link in the description for a lifetime deal and an extra 10% discount today. Remember to comment if you need a review of any software. Oh wait! If you need a video editor, audio engineer, or YouTube manager, feel free to contact us. See you in the following video. Thank you.